Hello everyone. I'm Cotton, the chef dog. My first recipe was the traditional Venezuelan arepa made with corn flour. Today I'm going to teach you another arepa that is made here in Venezuela, but in the Andean region. We call it Andean arepa, and it is made with wheat flour. It is one of the simplest and quickest recipes you can make with wheat flour, and it is delicious. Without further ado, the ingredients we need are the following. 1 cup of wheat flour, 1/3 cup of powdered milk, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, this is optional, and half a cup of water. You can also see the ingredients in the description. What we have to do is place the wheat flour in a container, then add the powdered milk, add the sesame seeds, the yeast on one side, and the salt on the other side. And finally make a little hole in the center of everything to pour the water in there. We start to mix everything. I'm going to do it with a spatula, but you can do it with your hands, it's much faster that way. Add more flour if it sticks to your fingers. It should look like this. Once the dough is ready, cut it in half to make 2 arepas. Now with a rolling pin, flatten it until you have the circular shape of an arepa. All that's left is to put them in the pan or griddle to cook them. When one side is golden, turn it over and let it cook completely. The Venezuelan Andes are very beautiful and prepare very delicious food. That's why it's one of my favorite places to vacation. Share in the comments what your favorite food from the Andean or cold region of your country is. The arepas are ready. They turned out spectacular. We can't finish this recipe without tasting it, so here we go. It turned out delicious. You can accompany it with cheese or a good cream. So go ahead and make it. Thank you all for joining me. See you in our next recipe. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I'm Cotton, the chef dog.